Great Basin National Park has several historic resources. We have remnants of mining camps and mining mill sites. We have remnants of historic ranching and herding. And actually, the earliest recreation in the area was the visitorship that came to Lehman Caves.
We have Johnson Lake Mine, which is an early 20th century tungsten mine, which is above 10,000 feet in elevation. We also have Rhodes Cabin, which is behind me. That is an early 20th century construction as well. Starting in 1998, we began stabilization work at the Johnson Lake Mine. This involves removing rotten logs, both from the roof and on the ground level. These logs on the ground level were replaced with logs from the surrounding area that were approximately the same size and shape.
We always, in these historic properties, need to keep the same kind of construction materials and try not to intrude as much as possible with any new materials. When you see an historic archaeological site or a historic site on the National Park Service, sometimes you might not even recognize you're looking at a significant resource. A lot of visitors will just see rusty cans and broken bottles, but what might look like trash to the casual park visitor is really important historic information.
When we find a historic artifact, we record them in a variety of ways. For instance, a tin can, we will measure the length and diameter of the can, and that will help us determine the age and what type of food or beverage was contained within that can. The artifacts can help to correlate with the historic record and show that yes, these cabins or historic resources were being used during the time that the historic record shows. We choose these projects based on a variety of factors. For instance, the Johnson Lake Mine is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. This makes it an important resource to the park and to the country as a historic resource that needs to be preserved and protected for future generations.